So, welcome again. We will take one numerical based on our two graphical representations for the consumption function and the saving function we have discussed earlier. So, in the same context, we are taking one numerical for more clarification. Okay, what is this numerical is all about? Here I begin. In an economy, C is equal to 200 plus 0.5 y is the consumption function. C is the consumption expenditure and y is the national income. Investment expenditure is rupees 400 crore. Is the economy in equilibrium at an income level of 1500 crore? Justified. The question is very clear to you. For the solution, it is the consumption function equation which is written over here, and they are saying that this is the consumption function, C is the consumption expenditure, and C dash represent the autonomous consumption represent 200. This is MPC, that is 0.5, and Y is the national income. So they are asking that a question, they are giving that in a nation, if the investment expenditure is 400 crore, if I is 400 crore, okay, if investment expenditure is 400 crore, and whether in this investment expenditure, whether the economy is in equilibrium at 500 rupees crore, whether it is the economy is in equilibrium in 500 rupees crore. For it, we will take an assumption when an economy is in equilibrium. When economy is in equilibrium, we will take aggregate supply is equal to aggregate demand. Okay. So aggregate supply means that the total income, for the sake of convenience, we will make Y in place of aggregate supply, and instead of AD we will write consumption plus investment, as we have discussed earlier for this topic. Okay. So Y is the national income, C represents the consumption function, the value of consumption function. Instead of writing this one like this, you can write down, in place of C you can write down 200 plus 0.5 y. So 200 plus 0.5 y. In place of C we have written this one. Okay. Then in I is also given to you 400. So in place of I we can put 400. Okay. Then as we know that like terms would be taken one side, so we will taking 0.5 y minus from 1, so 1 minus 0.5 y. Okay. So and in this 200 plus 400, that is 600. Then 0.5 y is equal to 600. Then y is equal to 600 upon 0.5. This will be divided like this, liberating the point. Okay, this will make you 1 0 more over here, and it comes to be 1200 rupees, 1200 crore. Okay, so after calculating this, in equilibrium the income of the national income comes to be rupees 1200 crores, and in the answer it is in the question it is asked that in an economy, whether this economy at equilibrium level at rupees 500 crore. So it is very clear to you that for an economy to be in equilibrium, that national income must be equal to 1200. So we will say that no, our answer will be no, the economy will not be in equilibrium at